So this film's a continuation of the other JSON movies I've been making. In this scenario, I've got a text file, a JSON text file, cars.json, and it's built up of an array of dictionaries, array of dicts. And you can see that it has 3 fields: brand, model, type, and inside that it's got 10 records of different cars. They're either a saloon, a hatchback, or an SUV at the moment. And so far we've been able to successfully connect to load the data with my load data function, using the with open syntax to collect the data. Now in this new function, define view car type, I am going to try and create a sublist which groups the categories, the types of car available. So I'm going to use the load data function. I'm going to save it into my check these variable. I'm going to create a new variable called Bob, which is of type set. So sets, as you know from maths, sets are can't contain duplicate values. So a set can't contain a duplicate value, and I'm going to use that to my advantage. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to use a for loop to loop through check these. Each row is going to be called car in this loop. And each row from this array of dicts is going to be a dictionary, isn't it? One dictionary per row. So I'm going to pick out the type data from that dictionary, and I'm going to put it into the n variable. And then I'm going to add the n type, whatever, saloon, SUV. I'm going to add that into Bob, and then I'm going to print through the result. Okay, let's see how that works. So I'm going to run the program. Oops. I'm going to make this, sorry, I'll try that again. I'm going to run the program. I've going to go to list sublists, so I've got my second menu. So here's my second menu, view, I want view car types number 3, and it's showing me car types, and using dot format to format that type. And you'll notice it's only said hatchback, saloon, and SUV. It hasn't said all the other types. So how do I improve that? What's going on under the bonnet? Well, let's comment out the final loop and have a look at what n is doing. So for each row, n is going to be the type, and I'm going to print that out now. Save that. Oops. And you can see you can see what n looks like. N was every type from this JSON file. Every type was printed out, but we only saw the 3 car types because we'd used a set. See if you can have a go.